The DJI Osmo Pocket series has redefined handheld cameras, offering incredible gimbal stabilization and 4K video in a compact, user-friendly design. Perfect for vloggers, travelers, and creators, it delivers high-quality footage without the bulk. With the Osmo Pocket 3's release in October 2023, DJI pushed the limits even further, introducing a large 1-inch sensor, a 2-inch screen, and enhanced portrait mode for vertical content. As we anticipate the Osmo Pocket 4, we're expecting even more improvements in sensor resolution and low-light performance to meet creators' growing demands. Today, we're diving into all the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Pocket 4. If you're curious about what DJI has in store for their next compact powerhouse, you're in the right place. Stay tuned. Based on DJI's release trends, we've seen a steady pattern. The Osmo Pocket in November 2018, Pocket 2 in October 2020, and Pocket 3 in October 2023. Following that rhythm, we might expect the Osmo Pocket 4 to land around late 2026 or early 2027. But what could DJI have in store this time? If you're into shooting slow motion or dynamic footage, the Pocket 3 already offers 4K at 120 frames per second, but we might see DJI push this even further in the Pocket 4. Imagine capturing your action shots with even higher frame rates or enhanced slow-mo capabilities. Perfect for content creators who love that cinematic feel. One standout from the Pocket 3 was its Active Track 6.0, which locks onto subjects with impressive precision. Still, some users noticed it struggled a bit in low light or fast-paced scenes. It wouldn't be surprising if DJI steps up the game with advanced tech like phase detection, autofocus, or eye tracking, making it a game-changer for sports and wildlife shots. That 2-inch rotatable touchscreen was a hit, but not everyone loved it in bright sunlight. For the Pocket 4, maybe we'll get a sharper, brighter, and more responsive display that works flawlessly, even on the sunniest days. And let's not forget accessories. DJI might add new gear like battery packs for longer shoots, waterproof cases, or even telephoto lenses to make the Osmo Pocket even more versatile. Battery life could also see a bump, which would be a blessing for those shooting long projects or in remote locations. Combined with improved stabilization tech, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be a go-to for filmmakers chasing high-quality, smooth footage, whether they're shooting sports, travel, or anything in between. Audio quality is another area where the Osmo Pocket 4 could really level up. While the Pocket 3's built-in mics are decent, many content creators are hoping for better sound features, like wind noise reduction and improved compatibility with external audio devices. Enhanced audio is crucial for vloggers and filmmakers aiming to elevate their content, and multiple audio input options would make the Pocket 4 even more appealing for serious creators. Another exciting possibility is the integration of live streaming capabilities. As real-time engagement becomes more popular, the ability to stream directly to platforms like YouTube or Twitch from a handheld camera would be a game-changer. With stronger wireless connectivity and smartphone-controlled remote features, the Pocket 4 could become the ultimate tool for live creators looking to interact with their audiences on the go. There's also potential for new shooting modes and in-camera editing, making it easier for users to create and polish content right on the device. With advanced AI features like automatic scene detection, even novice filmmakers could produce professional-quality videos without diving into technical settings. DJI's track record of innovation suggests that the Osmo Pocket 4 will continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible in handheld filmmaking. As we get closer to the possible release, DJI is sure to tease some exciting new features, keeping creators eagerly waiting. While much of this is speculative, DJI's history of consistent upgrades gives us confidence that the Pocket 4 will bring thrilling innovations for content creators. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited as we are about the potential of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, drop a comment below and let us know what feature you're most looking forward to. Do you think DJI will deliver on the rumors? Or is there something else you're hoping to see? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates and deep dives into the latest tech. See you in the next video.